What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, your home theater hobbyist, and today I have something that's special to me because I've been looking forward to this for a long time, and that is listening to a pair of KEF speakers. I have the Q150s here, and I'm going to unbox them today, and of course I will be doing a full review, so stay tuned for that. But right now, let's get to the unboxing. Before we get too far into this video, if you enjoyed this type of content, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. KEF is a UK-based speaker company that sells floor-standing speakers, bookshelf speakers, in-ceiling speakers, in-wall speakers, subwoofers, and basically all the audio needs for our home theaters. But they're also known for their designs and one thing in particular, that right there, the UniQ array design, which is basically a tweeter that sits literally in the center of the woofer cone, and it is supposed to give you a single point source of sound. Now, most of you know that most speakers are built with a tweeter, then a woofer below it, or a woofer, tweeter, woofer, something like that. Well, this is different than that, and that's why I'm looking forward to listening to it, because it is a different design. How does it sound? And so I'm excited. But before I can, listen to them, I've got to unbox this box. So let's talk about this. As you can see here, this is a standard brown box, but it has KEF all over it and speakers all over it. You've got KEF up there, you've got speakers here, what they are, the Q150s. On the side, it shows you the entire Q line, from the floor standers to the center to the two bookshelf speakers, and even the tape says KEF on it. So I found that to be just kind of interesting because most companies don't seem to put their name on the tape, but it's completely fine. But if this is dropped off at your home, you want to make sure that you're home to receive it so no one takes them from your porch. But this box weighs, I think, about 33 pounds, not super heavy. I was able to bring it up the steps myself, but if you need help carrying things, make sure you get help. I really don't have anything else other to say about this, so let's go ahead and let's crack this box open and see how these speakers look. Got a manual, port plugs, and some rubber feet. So here they are, but some of you can probably tell that I have another box back here, and KEF actually sells the grills for these speakers separate from the speaker themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the grill. There is a manual for the magnetic grill attachment for the KEF speakers. Interesting. Well, it's not really a manual, it's more of just one page, but still kind of interesting. Plastic, interesting. There's the grill. It's one grill, but there's the grill. The Q150s cost $5.99 for the pair, but as I record this, they are actually $2.99 for the pair, so why don't you use that link in the description below to pick up your pair of Q150s. They feature a two-way bass reflex design with a 1-inch vented aluminum dome tweeter and a 5 1/4 inch mid-bass driver. They have a frequency response from 51 Hz to 28,000 Hz, a sensitivity of 86 dB, and a nominal impedance of 8 ohms. They are 11.9 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 10.9 inches deep, and they weigh 12.3 pounds. So let's talk first impressions. First and foremost, these speakers are gorgeous. I ordered these in white because white can be hard to pull off, but KEF has definitely pulled off white. These things look fantastic, they really do. The surface itself has a little bit of wood grain texture to it that's nice to the touch, but also looks nice. Up front, you've got that KEF logo there, and just below that, you have that UniQ driver array with the tweeter in the center, and then the woofer right around it. And they've got this sort of a blade design here on the tweeter that carries on into the woofer cone, and the rubber that surrounds the woofer, and that looks nice. Down below it says UniQ driver array. And moving on to the rear, you've got the port up top here that's conical, and the binding post right there. Now I'm pretty sure the binding posts do accept all major speaker connections, but I will verify that and talk about it in the full review. If you have questions about these, why don't you put them in the comment section below and I will try to address them. If you want to purchase these or anything else from KEF, use those links in the description below. I'm excited. I really want to listen to these. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'll talk to you next time.